Hi, I'm Kaye Dent with Dent Coulson Elder Law, here with an Elder Law Minute for you. These videos are intended to educate you about the elder care journey, which begins earlier in life than you might think. We hope that you find them useful, and if you have further questions, please call us at Dent Coulson Elder Law. Today, I'd like to tell you what to expect if you come see us for an initial consultation. We actually had a viewer ask us to describe this, and I think that it would be very useful. At Dent Coulson Elder Law, our approach is to give prospective clients very meaningful initial consultations. And for that reason, first of all, we set aside ample time to consult with you. We don't give just 30-minute consultations. My practice is to set aside 90 minutes for an appointment. And that means that you're going to get probably an hour to 90 minutes of my time, depending on the questions you might have. As a part of that process, when you call in, we send you a questionnaire to fill out and send back ahead of your appointment. It asks questions about your family status, how many kids and grandkids you have, what your goals are, what is important to you, and what your financial picture looks like. These are all things that we need to know in order to give you a consultation that's meaningful to you and answers questions about you and your family, and not just generic what ifs. The idea is that by the end of the consultation, we should be able to make a recommendation to you about what we think you need in the way of estate planning or asset protection planning, what documents we believe would best serve your goals and your needs, and why. And we can give you a quote on how much that is going to cost you. Because honestly, that's a big question that a lot of people have as well. But until we know enough about you and know what you want and need, we can't tell you what it's going to cost. That's the reality of it. Estate planning is not a do-it-yourself project, so you won't leave a consultation with, basically deck plans like you might from Home Depot, but you will leave with an idea of what recommendations we have for your planning and why, and again, a quote for what we would charge for those services. And also a lot of questions probably, because part of the process is to ask you some hard questions that you may not have thought of. And if you decide to proceed with planning with Dent Coulson Elder Law, the next step would be to have a design meeting with one of our attorneys. And what that means is you'll be giving us answers to those hard questions. Who's going to be your executor? Who's going to be your agent under power of attorney? If your children are minors, or even if they're grown-ups, are you going to be leaving them assets directly or in a trust? And are there any special circumstances, such as do you have a child with special needs, or are we concerned about the cost of long-term care and maybe need a special trust or other planning for those purposes? If you choose to consult with Dent Coulson Elder Law on your estate planning or asset protection needs, we want you to leave the consultation with some clear direction on the next steps. Please give us a call today. Our staff will be happy to set you up with your initial consultation.